Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorials and fix it that angle brackets are aren't allowed. Why it's happening? Especially on these descriptions, I'm trying to upload by fixing of descriptions, but it's a shame that angled brackets aren't allowed. What can be the reason behind that and how we can fix, especially if you are YouTubers, and then of course this tutorial will be very useful. The firstly, while I especially writing the descriptions here, we have done a little mistake and you are having this kind of the problem, then you will have to fix it. What is it? Here angled brackets means here like that. See guys, this one. So where it is now, just to see guys, a step to check of these things here. These all are angle brackets, otherwise it will be not able to. Yes, these tutorials will not give especially allowed to especially to fix these descriptions without removing of those angle brackets, because these all are things are not allowed. So here right now, see in a descriptions, now we cannot go for here clicking by next, because this is not allowing to us to further publish of this tutorial. So how it is, how can I go for? So here angle, these brackets, these all are angle brackets in this. So just we will remove and there we will replace it. So we have taken one more. Let's see. Now this bracket also, see is 8 layers, one bracket is still here, so that's why having the problem. Here second more bracket we will take, and now see it has been highlighted guys. What do you say? So these kind of the things is, if you are having this kind of the problem, then of course you can address via this way, especially easily. If you are a YouTuber, then of course, and you ever especially definitely you will have to face this kind of the special issue, so that we can fix it. Otherwise of course we can directly select the old description and there we can replace it. Or of course we will copy and we will go in a notepad and there particular that angle brackets we will replace it and once again we will paste it. So if you are having this kind of, then we can. This is all about, this is a little information that I decided to give you because I have the face in this kind of this. So this is all about guys. Furthermore in inquiry, of course I have the query below the comments, for the pleasure would be mine to reply your query guys. And of course then confusions, any kinds of things that latest update is related to the iPhones and of course smartphones or computer PC, you would like to know, then drop the comments below the comment box. That would be my pleasures to the replies. So thank you very much indeed.